Hello and welcome to Asset TV. I'm Ritika Gupta and I'm pleased to be joined by President and Financial Advisor of Stonebriar Wealth Management, Joe Davis. Welcome, Joe.
Hi, Ritika. Thanks for having me back.
So first of all, I want to start off and take a broad look at the market and where we are today. You have an S&P 500 that has had a double-digit rally year to date. We've been trading around record highs. Which camp are you in? The camp that could see this rally power on? Or do you think we could start to see some kind of a meaningful pullback?
I am of the camp that things could continue on as they are. This very well could be the summer of Goldilocks. There are really four main drivers to this market that I've been noticing since October. The first being solid growth. The second, falling inflation. The third, the expectations for the Fed to cut rates. And lastly, AI enthusiasm. All four of those remain very comfortably in place. Yes, there's been a few growth concerns, but definitely not enough to spook markets.
Now, previously on the show that you've discussed the mantra, don't fight the Fed in regards to interest rate policy. So how should investors be interpreting the current Fed speak from Fed Chair Jerome Powell in his latest FOMC press conference? And do you think that we're starting to get more clarity around economic policy?
Whether the Fed is going to cut rates in September or December really isn't that important. The most important thing for this market is that the next move is a cut and not a hike. The number one driver of volatility in the short run will be the Fed. We saw that in April. There was a hot jobs number. There was a hot inflation report. All of a sudden, we had a 0% chance of a rate cut relatively this year. Fast forward to May, the data turned around, and we're back into having a September rate cut. So there will be short-term volatility. Markets can't go up every single day as much as we would like them to. And I'm more concerned about listening to the data and making sure that the next move is a cut. Any kind of volatility that's around a noisy headline about the probability decreasing from a cut happening this fall, I think is a buying opportunity.
That was Joe Davis of Stonebriar Wealth Management. I'm Ritika Gupta with Asset TV.
Stonebriar Wealth Management, advisors for your life.
This is not an offer to buy or sell securities. No investment process is free of risk, and there is no guarantee that the investment process described herein will be profitable. Investors may lose all of their investments. Past performance is not indicative of current or future performance. It is not a guarantee.